Hook, have you ever wanted to use Venmo to send or receive money but found yourself stumped by the requirement for a U.S. phone number? It's a common hurdle, especially for those living outside the United States. But don't worry, there's a solution. Let's dive into how you can overcome this obstacle and start using Venmo, even if you don't have a U.S. phone number. Context: Venmo has become a popular platform for peer-to-peer payments, offering a convenient and easy-to-use interface. However, its requirement for a U.S. phone number has limited its accessibility to users outside the country. This can be frustrating for international students, travelers, or anyone who needs to send or receive money from U.S.-based contacts. Solution 1. Use a U.S. virtual number. One of the most straightforward ways to get Venmo without a U.S. phone number is to use a virtual number service. These services provide you with a U.S. phone number that can be used for various purposes, including signing up for online accounts like Venmo. Here's how it works. Choose a reputable virtual number provider. There are several options available, so do your research to find one that suits your needs and budget. Purchase a U.S. phone number. Select a number from the provider's available options. Verify your number. Follow the provider's instructions to verify your new number. Sign up for Venmo. Use your virtual number to create a Venmo account. Advantages of using a virtual number. Convenience: it's a simple and efficient solution that doesn't require you to purchase a physical U.S. SIM card. Privacy: virtual numbers can help protect your privacy by keeping your personal phone number private. Flexibility: you can use your virtual number for other online services besides Venmo. Solution 2. Use a VPN. Another option to consider is using a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN allows you to mask your IP address and make it appear as if you are located in the United States. By doing this, you can bypass the geographical restrictions imposed by Venmo and create an account. Choose a reliable VPN service. There are many VPN providers available, so select one that offers good speeds and security. Connect to a U.S. server. Once you've installed the VPN software, connect to a U.S. server to change your IP address. Sign up for Venmo. With your VPN connected, you should be able to create a Venmo account using your existing non-U.S. phone number. Advantages of using a VPN. Privacy: a VPN can protect your online privacy by encrypting your internet traffic. Flexibility: you can use a VPN to access other geo-restricted content besides Venmo. Cost-effective: many VPN services offer affordable plans. Additional tips. Be cautious of scams. When using virtual numbers or VPNs, be vigilant about scams and ensure you're dealing with reputable services. Check for compatibility. Some virtual number providers or VPNs may have compatibility issues with Venmo, so it's a good idea to research and find a service that is known to work well with the platform. Consider alternative payment methods. If you're facing significant challenges in getting Venmo to work, explore other payment options like PayPal, Zelle, or traditional bank transfers. Conclusion: while Venmo may initially seem inaccessible to those without a U.S. phone number, there are effective workarounds available. By using a virtual number service or a VPN, you can easily overcome this hurdle and start enjoying the benefits of Venmo. Remember to choose reputable services, be cautious of scams, and explore alternative payment methods if necessary. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to use Venmo from anywhere in the world. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.